The following instruction will guide you through the steps required to make print and mockup file for product. Embroidered cap. First, download the template. When preparing your print file, you need to reference our PSD print template that you can download from the product link on our website under the Mockup and Template tab. Open and edit the file. To set up print file, open the downloaded template in Photoshop or you will need an alternative that has the ability to work with smart objects like Photopea. Attentions for embroidery print placement and sizing standards. The front side, maximum size is 5.5 inches wide x to 0.3 inches tall. The left or right, or back side, maximum size is 1.34 inches wide x to 0.7 inches tall. Currently, the artwork will be done in flat embroidery style. Now work with the template file. When opened, follow the instruction in the guide note. The embroidery design details showed in these layers. Some important notes. Use solid shapes and colors. Please avoid gradient, shading, distressed, and other complex elements in the artwork. In order to achieve the best result, text letter size should be at least 215 pixels high, or each stroke or line should be at least 37 pixels thick. So it is best to leave out any intricate patterns, small texts, and minute details from your design. Besides, a simple design creates the best visual impact with its elegant appeal and tight stitches. Use only these 16 thread colors provided in the template, and use up to 8 colors for one design. Don't use photographic images. Shadows, color gradients, or sharing increases the complexity. Are not recommended through our embroidery service. Too small gaps between artwork may close and artwork may become distorted, and important elements should have dimensions at least 67 pixels. You can fill the small gaps with a solid background color. We recommend put the design in the center of template file. Export the file. When finished designing, then save the design file in PNG transparent format. Make sure that you turn off the guide layer and remove unused objects from your file. Generate mockups from print file. Download all files to your computer. And import embroidery pattern plus embroidery cap merchandise. To Photoshop. There are 3 smart objects for 3 sides. Front, side, back. If you want to use Mockup, double-click on Smart Object Artwork. A new window will open. Turn off Example Layer, then place your design here. To make embroidery effect, choose File Window Actions. Click on your design layer, then hit Play button. A message dialog will pop up. Click Stop. Follow the instruction. Use Magic Wand tool. Set tolerance to 10 and uncheck contiguous. To create the embroidery effect for all objects of the same color, select an object of that color, then hit the play button. Do the same with the remaining colors. Finally, select File, Save, or Ctrl+S, then go back to Mockup tab. Upload artwork files and create product on your Merchize account. If you want to add products to your Merchize account, once you access to Merchize admin dashboard, go to product page. You can choose create regular product or create campaign in product section. The create regular product is used to create product individually. Before submitting the artwork for fulfillment, please ensure that you are submitting the ready to print artwork. The create campaign feature can be used to create one or multiple types of product at a time. Using Merchize Mockup generator inside your browser, this tool helps to quickly visualize your ideas, and you can easily create multiple products and the multiple mockups within minutes. If you can't find the product you want to generate mockups, please use PSD mockup file. We are continuously updating the product catalog. Follow each detailed instruction below in the description of this video to create and sync products from Merchize to other sale channels.